Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Today I'll show you how to add and remove floating shutter button in camera. Let's enter camera at the beginning. And now enter settings. Scroll down and tap on shooting methods. To add floating shutter button, turn this function on. To remove it, turn this function off. So let's see how it works. As you can see right now on the screen, we've got floating shutter button. Tap it to take a photo. There's also a second way to remove floating shutter button. Just drag it right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.